Atongoi Kyamani cha DCP Matongoewe ni Munini wa Ndongoi ya Kyamaki Cleophas Malala Nimathingiliila Kana Savali ya Unai Munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua Kusyoka va Kenya Yiovo Wakana Kyumwaniki na Atii Kyamaki Onthe Mena Uthasyo wa Kumuthokya Kiwanzani cha Ndeke cha Jomo Kenyatta na kuatianiana mugo nginya katika tuamusi wa ilovi na itina kutwaisya umbano wa kiuteti Kiwanzani cha Kamukunji. Malala ni wawetakana makunende livoti kwa inspekta munene wa polisi na maofisa ma polisi na mailite kunenga enende usisi muyanu thini wa miateanio ino vatekulikilila kana kuvalania mugo wa enende vala ingi makani serikali yulwa muvango wa Kumwikia Mbini Gachagua avika vanthi ya Kenya. Boni Mutisia na mauvo
thini unenanya na nyumba seunya cha mauvo Cleophas Malala vamwe na Atongoi yengi ni mawetakana Ndongoi ya chama cha DCP ni kwitho ithoka va Kenya kana Kusyoka Kenya Wakana ukite Malala yumia wetano kuyenende ma Kenya vamwe na Atii chama gikuumilia kwa wingi Kumuthokya Gachagua va Kenya.
Last week we announced that our party leader, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua, will return to the nation on Thursday, 21st August at noon from the United States of America. We want to confirm that his return is still as scheduled. Second, we call on the people of Kenya to show up at the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport at 8 a.m. to receive our beloved party leader. We shall have a mother of all peaceful processions upon his arrival. The procession will begin from the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport to the Central Business District and later address a public rally at the hallowed Kamkunji grounds.
Aindi anokulia maofisa ma polisi kwikithia kwina usesei muthenyani uyu Gachagua ukethilika va Kenya kwikithia kana miateno ila ikethwetwa iweniene nthia ya ndinalikilwa kwithiwa ikethwa ya mugo.
The police are hereby notified to provide security and they should not dare to demonstrate against the people of Kenya. We have done a letter to the Inspector General notifying him of the said activity. We confirm that indeed we will, and as a party and as the people of Kenya, we shall gather at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport starting from 8 a.m. This is to ensure that we plan ourselves adequately. We have people traveling from across the country.
Kuna kini mawetakana mesimu vangola serikali vangitoa Kumwikia Mbini kana kumukwata Rigathi Gachagua avika va Kenya kana kuvindwa nyandambuka yake nthini wa kiwanza kila utonya ulika va Kenya cha Ndeke aiwetakana vata munene wa Ndongoi ya Kyamaki na Atii ni kwikithikana kwina mugo na maisa itikila na muvango ona umwe wa Kumwikia Mbini Rigathi Gachagua.
We are also adequately informed of the mischief and also plans by President William Ruto to have our party leader arrested upon his arrival at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. We are also informed that William Ruto is planning to divert his plane to either Kisumu or Mombasa International Airports to arrest him from there. We have encouraged our members to also plan to receive him in those respective airports. We want to be very particular and candid on this matter. Take notice that any attempt to arrest Honorable His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua once he lands in the country will be met by our supporters across the country. We have asked our supporters to be on standby.
Mutongoi TV, Boni Mutisia.